You are probably hearing from the media that the market is seeing more inventory and homes are lingering on the market longer. Well, that's nationwide. Let's talk about Maryland. Maryland definitely is seeing inventory rising, but homes are going under contract just as quickly in most areas, much more quickly than expected. It's Friday, June 20th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. The Federal Reserve is leaving interest rates unchanged as of this June. Mortgage rates are likely to continue hovering above 6% as they have over the previous months. So let's talk about the Maryland inventory. Coming soon properties dropped to 1,504 this report. New listings rose 19% to 2,841. Homes going under contract rose 8.1% to 1,941. Going under contract in 15 days. 1,613 properties sold at 100% list-to-sold ratio and selling in 12 days. Rental properties rose again this week with 2,756 rentals available at $2,598 million per month. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, June 20th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.